It's gonna feel funny, but it's okay.
Welcome to Moab, Utah, where epic red rock trails meet legendary Jeep adventures. Today, we're taking on Lost World, one of the newest and rarest trails in the Jeep Badge of Honor lineup. What makes it special? It's a limited trail, meaning it's only available to check in for a short time. Once it's gone, it's gone. So if you want the badge, you've got to get out here while it lasts. Before you even get to Lost World, there's a bit of a journey. The drive out here travels along long, dusty, graded roads that most people never bother with. It's off the beaten path, quiet, remote, and honestly kind of peaceful. No crowds, no traffic, just you, your rig, and the wide open Utah desert. Joining us for this ride were our friends, Shandy and Mike in their rig, Beast Mode, with their son Aiden riding along. This was their first time in Moab, and what better way to kick things off than with a trail that's easy, scenic, and Badge of Honor worthy. It's not about extreme challenge here, it's about the vibe. Even stock rigs will have no problem making their way through.
There's that big hole there, but I don't think there's any way to avoid it, so. All right, this one should be easy. It's just over and down, so.
It didn't take long for Shandy, Mike, and Aiden to settle into the groove. For their first Moab trail, they were all smiles, taking in the views, enjoying the ride, and soaking up every bit of the experience. Beast Mode was living up to its name, and so were they. Coming up, we reached a fun little challenge nicknamed Mini Hell's Gate. It's a smaller version of the iconic obstacle over on Hell's Revenge, same V-notch style, but way less intimidating. It's the kind of obstacle that looks a little sketchy at first glance, but with the right line and a little guidance, it's totally doable, even for first-timers. Shandy and Mike tackled it like pros. This spot added just enough excitement to keep things interesting, without the need for lockers or white knuckles. After Mini Hell's Gate, the trail opens up into a beautiful stretch of classic Moab scenery, sweeping slick rock, distant mesas, and those endless desert skies. It's the kind of drive that reminds you why you came all this way. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We still haven't shifted out of two-wheel drive yet. But just when you're starting to relax, Lost World throws one last challenge your way, the most technical obstacle on the trail. It's a downhill, off-camber section which switches from the driver to passenger side that'll make you sit up and pay attention. It's not extreme, but it does require a little patience and careful tire placement. Get out and look, take it slow, and you'll cruise right through. This one adds just enough spice to earn that badge.
It's gonna feel funny, but it's okay. Your tires are perfect. Okay, a little driver. Straighten out. Little passenger. Okay, straighten out. Right there. Go that way. Good job. That was fun.
Oops, had to shift to four-wheel drive to make it up the sandy hill. Before wrapping up the trail, we hit one final obstacle, a Slickrock Climb with just enough angle to make things interesting. We gave it a shot in two-wheel drive just for fun, but that Slickrock wasn't having it. A quick shift into four-wheel drive and we were right up. Then it was Beast Mode's turn, and Shandy made it look easy. No hesitation, just a smooth, confident climb to the top. This climb was the perfect final punch for a trail that's short, scenic, and surprisingly fun. Lost World might be short, but it packs a lot into just a few miles. Fun obstacles, wide open scenery, and a great way to ease into what Moab has to offer. If you turn right at the end of the trail, there's a short spur road that leads to some incredible views overlooking part of 10 Mile Canyon. It's absolutely worth the detour.
See all those trees down there?
Quiet, remote, and beautiful, it's a fitting reward after a mellow but memorable trail ride. Don't forget to open the Jeep Badge of Honor app and check in. Lost World is a limited time trail, so if you want that badge, now's the time to get it. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps our channel grow, and we've got plenty more trails ahead.